Hi students, today I am doing the problems on exercise 4.1. First problem, evaluate determinant of 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. Determinant of 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. We know that determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is defined as product of the principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements. So 2 into minus 1 minus 5 into 4 equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 20. So equal to minus 2 plus 20 equal to plus 18. Determinant of a square matrix will be always associated to a number. See, we are getting plus 18. Whenever you have a matrix, it should be a square matrix. The determinant of a square matrix always associated to a number or an expression. Now, second problem, determinant of cos theta minus sin theta cos theta equal to, here also same, product of the principal diagonal elements cos theta into cos theta minus product of secondary diagonal elements sin theta into minus sin theta into minus sin theta equal to cos theta into cos theta equal to cos square theta minus into minus plus sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is always equal to plus 1. If A equal to 1, 2, 4, 2, then show that determinant of 2A equal to 4 into det A. Solution, we have A equal to 1, 2, 4, 2. Now, we have to prove that determinant of 2A equal to 4 into det A. So, first we have to find LHS here. So, 2A, let me find 2A. 2 into the matrix A, 1, 2, 4, 2 equal to, multiply each and every element of this matrix by 2. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 2, 4. Now, LHS equal to, we have determinant of 2A equal to determinant of 2, 4, 8, 4 equal to product of principal diagonal elements 2 into 4, 8 minus 8 into 4, 32 equal to minus 24. Now, RHS we are having 4 into det A. First let us find det A here. Det A equal to determinant of 1, 2, 4, 2 equal to, now we have to multiply the principal diagonal elements 1 into 2 minus 4 into 2, 2 minus 8 equal to minus 6. Here we have 4 into det A. RHS equal to 4 into det A. So now here 4 into det A equal to, we have minus 6. So 4 into minus 6 equal to minus 24. LHS equal to minus 24. RHS is also equal to minus 24. Therefore, LHS is always equal to RHS. Now, we say that determinant of 2A equal to 4 into det A. Hence, prove. Fourth problem, if A equal to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4, then show that determinant of 3A equal to 27 into det A. In the previous problem, we had 2 by 2 matrix. Here we are having 3 by 3 matrix. Whenever you have a 3 by 3 matrix, the definition of the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix is the sum of the products of the elements of any row with their corresponding cofactors. That is the definition of the cofactor of determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Now solution, given that A equal to 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. First we have to multiply each and every element of this matrix by 3. Since we are having determinant of 3a, so 3 into a equal to 3 into 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. When you multiply, we get 3 into 1 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 4 12. Now determinant of 3a is equal to determinant of 3 0 3 0 3 6 0 0 12. So if you want to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, we have to take 3 into cofactor of 3 plus 0 into cofactor of 0 plus 3 into cofactor of 3. You can find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix along any row or along any column. There are 6 ways to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Now we can expand here along C1. We take the signs plus minus plus. Whenever we have a 3 by 3 matrix, we can take the signs plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So the first column is we are having this one plus minus plus. Since we are having two zeros, we can do along C1 here. So it's equal to, we are having plus 3 into, we are having a sign plus, so we take it as plus 3 into determinant of, we have to write the minor of 3. The minor of 3 is, we have to remove the first row and first column. Then we will have the 4 elements 3 6 0 12. 3 6 0 12. Next minus, in the first column we are having minus, so minus 0 into, we have to write the minor of 0. Minor of 0, we have to remove this first column and second row. The remaining elements are 0 3 0 12. Next we are having plus 0 into determinant of, we have to remove this row and this column. So remaining elements are 0 3 3 6, which is equal to plus 3 into 12 into 3 36 minus 0, minus 0 into anything 0 plus 0. So equal to 108. So LHS equal to, we are getting determinant of 3a equal to, we are getting 108. Now we have to get RHS, 27 into det A. So first let us find det A here. Det A equal to determinant of 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4 equal to, we do along R1. In the R1 we are having the 3 elements 1 0 1. We are having the signs here. Along R1 we have the signs plus minus plus. So first we should write plus 1 into. For this one we have to take the sign plus. So plus 1 into determinant of. Here we have to write the elements minor of 1 into minor of 1 we should write. Next we are having minus 0 into minor of 0. Next we are having the sign plus 1 into minor of 1. So here if you identify the minor of 1 is the element 1 lies in first row and first column. So by deleting first row and first column we will have the 4 elements. They are 1 to 0 4. 1 to 0 4. Minus 0, minor of 0, we have to remove the first row and second column. Then the remaining 4 elements we have 0 to 0 4. Now plus 1 into the element 1 lies in first row and third column. So we have to delete first row and third column. The remaining 4 elements we have 0, 1, 0, 0. So equal to plus 1 into 4 minus 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1. So equal to plus 4 minus 1 equal to plus 3. Now RHS equal to we have 27 into det A. RHS equal to 27 into det A equal to 27 into plus 3. So 27 into plus 3 equal to plus 108. Here there is a mistake. Plus 1 into 4 minus 0 into there 0 minus 0. So equal to we are having here minus 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 0, not 1, 0 minus 0. So equal to plus 4 here. So det A equal to plus 4. Now 27 into det A, RHS equal to 27 into det A. So 27 into 4 equal to plus 108. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Evaluate the following determinants. 1. Determinant of 3, 1, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 0. While finding the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, we can find along any 3 rows or along any 3 columns. Since we are having 2 zeros in R2, we can find the value of this along second row. Row 2 is here we are having 0, 0, minus 1. Here the signs are plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. First we have to write along R2. We are having the sign minus. So minus 0 into minor of 0. The minor of 0 is we have to remove. The minor of 0 is we have to remove the element 0 lies in second row and first column. So close this. This one also close it. So the remaining elements are we have 1 minus 2 minus 5 0. Similarly, next we are having the sign plus 0 into determinant of the element 0 lies in second row and second column. So close the second column, close the second row. Remaining elements are we are having 3 minus 2 3 0. Next we are having the sign minus of minus 1 into, we have to close the element minus 1 lies in second row and third column. Close the third column, close the second row. Then the elements are we are having 3 1 3 minus 5 equal to 0 into anything 0 plus 0 into anything 0. So equal to we are having minus of minus 1 plus 1 into minus 15 minus 3 equal to minus 18. So the value of this one equal to minus 18. We know that the determinant of any square matrix will be associated to a number or an expression. Always we have to get a number. So here we are getting minus 18. Now second problem is given by determinant of 3 minus 4 5 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1. First we have to take the signs plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Now we expand along R1 here. Here the row 1 is we are having 3 minus 4 5. The definition is 3 into cofactor of 3 plus minus 4 into cofactor of minus 4 5 into cofactor of 5. For cofactors we are having the signs directly plus minus plus. So here we should take it as which is equal to plus 3 into 3 into cofactor of 3. So here for cofactor we are having the sign plus. So now we have to take minor of 3. The element 3 lies in first row and first column. So the remaining 4 elements we have to take here 1 minus 2 3 1. Now minus of we are having the sign minus. So take minus of minus 4 into minor of minus 4. The minor of minus 4 is the element minus 4 lies in first row and second column. First row and second column. So the remaining 4 elements we have 1 minus 2 2 1. Now we are having the sign plus. So plus 5 into determinant of the element 5 lies in first row and third column. So the remaining 4 elements we have to take in a determinant 1 1 2 3 equal to plus 3 into 1 minus minus 6 plus 4 into, we know that determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is we have to take product of these two 1 into 1 1 minus minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 5 into 1 into 3 3 3 minus we are having 2 equal to plus 3 into we are having 7 plus 4 into we are having 5 plus 3 into we are having plus 5 into 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So it implies 21 20 plus 5 equal to 46 is the answer. Evaluate the determinants. Third problem. Determinant of 0 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 3 minus 2 3 0. We know that determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix is equal to sum of the products of elements of any row with their corresponding cofactors. Now here we have to take here in this, first we have to take the signs minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. We can expand along any row or along any column. Now I would like to expand along C1 here now. In C1 we are having the signs plus minus plus. Cofactor of an element is always equal to formula minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of aij. So cofactors are always followed by minors only. Now here plus 0 into, first we have to take the sign plus 0 into minor of 0. So the minor of 0 equal to, we have to delete the first column and first row. The remaining 4 elements we are having 0, minus 3, 3, 0. Next we are having the sign minus. So minus of minus 1 into determinant of, we have first column and second row. Since the element minus 1 lies in second row and first column, we have to remove this one and this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 0. Next we are having plus of minus 2 into determinant of, plus of minus 2 into determinant of 1, 2, 0, minus 3. 1, 2, 0, minus 3 equal to plus 0 into anything 0. So minus of minus plus 1 into 0, 0, minus we are having 6. Now plus into minus, minus 2 into minus 3 minus 0. So equal to minus 6, minus into minus, here we are having plus 6 equal to 0. This is a skew symmetric matrix. So determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of order 3 by 3 is always equal to 0. If it is odd, it should be odd order. It should be 3 by 3 or 5 by 5 or 7 by 7. The determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of odd order is always equal to 0. Now, fourth problem. It's given the determinant of 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 0. Now here I expand along R2. Signs are plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. We can expand along any row or along any column. Since I have one element 0 here, I am expanding along R2. Now, in R2 we are having the signs minus, plus, minus. So, minus 0 into determinant of, I am expanding along R2 here. The element 0 lies in second row and first column. So, close the second row and first column. What are the remaining 4 elements? The remaining 4 elements are minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, 0. Now, we have to take the sign plus, plus 2 into minor of 2. The element 2 lies in second row and second column. Close second row and second column. The remaining 4 elements are, we are having 2, minus 2, 3, 0. Now, next we are having the sign minus. Minus of whatever the element we have, minus 1 we should write here. Minus 1 into minor of minus 1. The minor of minus 1 is, we have to remove second row and third column because the element minus 1 lies in second row and third column. So when you remove second row and third column, we will have the 4 elements. The 4 elements are 2, minus 1, 3, minus 5. So that 0 into anything 0 plus 2 into, we know that determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is always equal to product of principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements, plus 2 into 0 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus into minus plus 1 into 2 into minus 5 minus 10, minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So that it's equal to plus 2 into plus 6 plus 1 into minus 10 plus 3. So 2 into 6 12 minus 7 equal to 5 is the answer.